Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to upload XLS files into the free version of Canva. If you've ever struggled with getting your Excel spreadsheets into a Canva design, whether you're making charts, infographics, or just trying to display data in a creative way, by the end of this tutorial you'll know the simplest way to get it done. Let's jump right in so you can start creating. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Remember, you don't need a paid plan for what we're doing today. The free version works just fine. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your Canva dashboard where you normally create new designs. You're going to click the big purple Create a Design button. This is your starting point anytime you want to make something new in Canva, from social media graphics to business cards, and in our case today, a space to bring in your spreadsheet data. After you click, you'll get a drop-down menu with a bunch of preset sizes. For this demonstration, we're going to go with something custom. So click on Custom Size. Now you'll see two boxes for width and height. Enter 100 for the width and 50 for the height. Make sure the units are set to pixels. It's the default, but double check just to be safe. These dimensions are quite small. We're just making a simple placeholder design for the upload, but you're free to use larger sizes or your preferred canvas size once you get comfortable with the process. Now hit Create New Design. Canva's editor will open up and you'll be staring at your blank canvas. This is where you'll work, but before you start laying anything out or decorating, we need to bring in your XLS file. So over on the left-hand panel, look for the Uploads option. It might say Upload Files depending on your version, but either way, give that a click. This section lets you import any kind of file you want to use in your design, like photos, videos, and yes, even spreadsheets. Let's upload that XLS file now. Click on the button that says Upload Files. A file browser window will pop up, just like when you're attaching something in an email. Navigate to where you saved your XLS file on your computer. Sometimes it takes a moment to find the right folder. Don't worry if you can't spot it immediately. Once you find your file, click on it, then hit Open. You might notice the upload spinning for a few seconds, especially if the file's a little larger. Give it a moment and soon enough, you'll see your XLS file appear in the list of uploaded files on the left. That's it, the file's now in your Canva account, ready to be used in your design. At this point, you can click on your file to add it to your canvas, or use Canva's features to incorporate your data however you like. So there you have it, uploading an XLS file into free Canva is super straightforward once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about working with spreadsheets in Canva or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I always check and I'm happy to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching and happy designing.